Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate payment processing with Stripe, detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate payment processing with Stripe, start by creating a Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and sign up with your email address. Verify your email to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and key features. Next, create an API key for secure access. Go to the Developers section in the sidebar. Click on API keys to generate your secret key. Keep this key secure as it allows access to your account. Install the Stripe library in your preferred programming language. For example, use npm for Node.js, type npm install Stripe in your terminal. Set up your development environment to start coding. In your code, initialize the Stripe library using your secret key. Use the function const stripe equals require Stripe, your secret key, for Node.js. To create a payment, define your payment method such as card details. Use Stripe's checkout.sessions.create endpoint for a seamless checkout experience. Provide necessary parameters like payment method types and line items. Handle both successful payments and failures in your code. Implement webhook endpoints to listen for events. Webhooks allow your application to respond to events like payment success or failure. In your server code, create an endpoint that listens for Stripe events. Use stripe.webhooks.constructEvent to validate incoming webhook notifications. Test your integration using Stripe's test mode. Use provided test card numbers to simulate various scenarios. Once everything is working correctly, switch to live mode. Update your API keys to use the live secret key. Finally, monitor transactions through your Stripe dashboard for insights. Ensure compliance with local regulations and security standards. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.